We have with us this 11-year-old, super charming, super intelligent and super vocal and a bit of a dramebaz today. Hi Jairaj Singh, welcome to Small on Big Talk. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a little bit nervous, but everything's fine.
अब हम ऐसा करते हैं, हमारी गुफ्तगू जो है बाकी जनता को सुनाते हैं. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. ये बताओ, do you have a love for languages?
Yeah, but like I'm going to like Bangkok for shifting, so I really want to learn Thai before not like fluent Thai, but at least a little bit of Thai.
Any other language that you were learning earlier in school?
I learned French in school.
Oh, are you quite adept at French?
I'm okay, but it's like necessary. Like they give 2 languages, French and Sanskrit. I chose French.
Okay. ये बताओ, मैंने एक word use किया था, गुफ्तगू. पता है ये कहाँ से आता है?
कहाँ से?
It's an Urdu word.
Urdu?
Yeah.
But I know that Urdu is like very very similar to Hindi.
It is. It is a fusion. What we speak nowadays is all
Yeah.
fusion. So Jay, ये बताओ मुझे, कोई least favorite language है?
अरे यार हिंदी है बहुत at least favorite.
हिंदी क्यों?
It's like very tough and like whenever we do Hindi we have to do like question answers which are like over like 5 lines. It's kind of a pain in the ass.
And do you feel like fatigued or do you feel bored? What do you feel while attempting Hindi?
I just feel bored. Like
तो ये बताओ, हिंदी टीचर से अच्छी कैमराडरी है कि क्या रहता है?
I have a good relationship with my Hindi teacher. She's nice.
Okay.
But like sometimes she can be strict, but she's nice.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Doesn't trouble you at all?
no.
Okay. Because मैंने सुना है हिंदी teachers can be real mean.
She like she's very good at roasting children like when they don't do the homework or like they're being naughty. Otherwise like she's nice though.
You know when I say mean, because they love the language, that's why they're teaching it, and not everybody grows up to, love Hindi. So that's why I think they get a little bitter. Okay, why aren't other people taking to it? Can I be right on that?
It depends. Like there are like many schools which like Hindi, like they're like that, like what you said. But in some schools they're nice, like my school.
Okay. Do you think हमारे curriculum में हिंदी पहले खत्म कर देनी चाहिए, like in pre-primary classes?
No, like we should like I think so, but like we should also learn like advanced Hindi because it is important to learn it in my opinion.
अब ये मुझे बताओ, I have heard that you are a big football fan,
Yeah.
fanatic, right? So tell me, what is FIFA World Cup?
So like the World Cup is like that. It happens every 4 years that all the countries like come and do a like cricket like India, Pakistan, they do like World Cup. It's like that, but in like football. Like it's like the cricket World Cup, but it's like a more like famous version of it, and it's like football.
Okay, FIFA is more famous than cricket?
Yes, there are more like overall football is like the most like highly rated sport.
Universally.
But in India, like it's cricket like a lot, but like football is like also like rising up in fans.
Okay. Which is your favorite team?
Club or like international?
Tell me both.
In my club, it's Real Madrid. International, it's I don't like have a favorite in international, but like Argentina, Portugal, and type thing. Brazil is also very nice because it has won the most World Cups, like 5 World Cups. Brazil.
Name a few good players that you follow or are inspired from.
Ronaldo, Messi. Obviously, the GOATs.
And the GOATs of all time?
Like the all time is like I think it's like Pele or someone or Maradona.
Okay.
They used to like play in the past, but like I think like young stars like we're gonna like take over the world. Like Lamine Yamal, he's like a 17-year-old footballer, and he's better than like a few people older than him in footballers.
And he's
better.
only 17.
And he's only 17.
And where is he from?
He's from Spain. He's in Barcelona, a club.
And who is your most favorite player out of all of them?
I don't have like a favorite player, but like Messi and Ronaldo are like on top. I know.
Always.
Pele and Maradona also.
Okay.
And Roberto Carlos and like a lot of players. There's like no favorite.
So Pele and Maradona are of a different generation. How do you latch on to watching them or maybe, deriving inspiration? Because they are of a different generation. So you just watched footage, you mean, right?
Yeah.
The past? So that's how
I see
deep.
footage matches also like a lot.
Oh, so that's how deep you are with football.
Yes,
What do you want to do when you grow up?
football.
Football. You think the country that you're living in supports this?
Footballer or actor?
Okay. So
Between
if I
those
talk about football, you think the country supports you, in becoming a good professional sports person where you can also make money and rise and, shine in the famous world?
It could happen, but like if India like advances to the World Cup, it'd be nice. But like as I told you, I'm from England, so I can join the England team and a nice club, so I can be part of the World Cup.
You have an English passport?
Yes.
Now tell me something. You know the concept of yellow and red cards in football. So if
Yeah.
a player gets 2 yellow cards, what does it mean?
If a player gets 2 yellow cards, they will automatically get a red card and sent out.
Okay, in layman language, can you explain it to me?
So basically, like suppose like you fouled someone twice, okay, you get a yellow card. You will automatically get a red card, and they will be sent out of the match.
So they
won't
can't play.
They can't play.
So this
Or
qualifies.
sometimes, like if you do like a really bad tackle, you can just automatically get a yellow card without red card without any yellow cards.
And what is a tackle?
So like you just like go steal the ball from someone like.
So football is.
There's like tackle like where you actually like slide and take the ball and the player can like get really injured.
So that's causing injury to someone.
For example, like Cannavaro was a very good like in the generation long time ago, he was a great defender. Like Roberto Carlos, amazing defenders. Cafu, these all are Brazilians and Italians. And Maldini, he was also a very good Italian defender. There are many.
There are many. Okay, now tell me, do you think football or a lot of these sports are a game of the privileged?
No, like a non-privileged can also play. Like after all, we all are humans. We should be treated equally. They all can play.
They all can be. Will they get the resources as good as you would?
Non-privileged, I think that they could like make they can like if they work hard, earn enough money, they can. Privileged can also do it
Yeah, privileged doesn't have to worry about their resources.
because their parents got money.
Yeah, and the non-privileged ones have to earn it. Exactly. Okay, tell me. Like when I asked you what do you want to be when you grow up, what did you say?
Footballer or an actor.
Or an
Between-
actor.
between.
You think that comes from privilege?
No, anyone can be like suppose
But it's easier for you?
yeah. But like suppose like there's a non-privileged person, he must have been an actor, he enrolls for an actor. He could be very good and they could be offering him like a world-time job. He can become rich. Even privileged also. But like they all have a chance.
That's a very good thought. And I hear you have friends across stratas. Even the economically weaker ones are your friends, right?
Yeah.
Is what I hear. How do you bridge that gap on an everyday basis?
Like I meet like I have some like in my compound like my staff's kids like play with me, and like in my school I have friends which we do like sleepovers, go to their houses, play games and everything.
Okay, now let's move on to something else that you like. You remember in the beginning we'd spoken about the 2 Fs. So we've already covered football, I think, pretty much. Let's move on to the next F. What do you think it is?
Fun.
Ah, no? You're passionate about it. You also like to do it. It's food. Yeah. Let's
Oh,
talk
I
about
like-
food, Jeff.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about food. Tell me your favorite cuisine.
Japanese cuisine. Like I really like ramen, burger and everything.
Okay, do you cook?
Don't really cook like, but I like I wanna be like a good cook.
You want to? You think it's a gender neutral profession now? It's not like only a woman or a girl should cook and boys and men should.
That's just biased and racist, to be
Oh.
honest. Anyone can cook. Like Gordon Ramsay, Nick DiGiovanni, they're all boys, and they turned out to be MasterChef champions. Like Nick DiGiovanni, he was in MasterChef. Gordon Ramsay, who owned MasterChef. So
Absolutely.
all of them are boys.
And all of them are men. Okay.
Mine.
So tell me the concept of a Michelin star restaurant.
So like a Michelin star restaurant is like a golden star restaurant. Like it's very high rated, and like the chefs are genius, and like the food is amazing, and you also get treated specially. But they can also be kind of very pricey.
Okay, you've been to any one of them?
Not that I'm aware of. I had gone to Hell's Kitchen in Chicago, somewhere in America, like Hard Rock Cafe, somewhere,
Yeah.
Hard Rock. I had gone to like one of Gordon Ramsay's restaurant in Hell's Kitchen, like there. It was good. Like, I don't think it's a Michelin star, but it is good.
You think the food matched his reputation?
Yes. They're not as advanced as like they're in like countries like France, UK, and America, and like these all. But like there are.
हमारे यहाँ पे competitions होते हैं ना बहुत सारे food वाले.
Yes.
Name a few.
Like I don't really know like जो इंडिया में है, but like the top 50 Asian restaurants एक है, and like some like it's like something like the QS Foods place awards, yeah.
Okay, and कोई competitions भी होते हैं इंडिया में?
इंडिया में हो सकता
होते होंगे बहुत, I'm sure, right?
है. Even in foreign countries like MasterChef,
Yeah.
like you like there will be
MasterChef India?
no in like
India doesn't.
in UK. I don't, not that I'm aware of.
No, I think it does.
It does. So like in like British MasterChef, like you like there are few people who prepare foods, and then Gordon Ramsay will taste it. Whatever is the best, they will win MasterChef.
Yeah, and a huge prize money and all those leverages. Okay, मुझे कोई एक मजे की खाने की रेसिपी बताओ जो तुम कभी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर चुके हो किचन में. And tell me in detail.
You know the guy I told you about, Nick DiGiovanni?
Yeah.
He's like a YouTube with over like 20 million subscribers. I have his cookbook,
Okay.
and like he has very good cuisines. I made one brown like chocolate chip cookies, which were like filled with chocolate, and they were like so cakey and nice.
You made them yourself?
No, I did. I took some help from my like parents.
Do you remember the recipe, the ingredients?
I know like there's vanilla extract, chocolate, sugar, and a brown butter and everything.
What
But
was the main ingredient?
chocolate.
Chocolate? So your chocolate cookies were full of chocolate.
I love chocolate. I love dark chocolate more than milk and white. What do you prefer?
I like white chocolate. Would you consider it as dessert then? So this is like a recipe for dessert. Good dessert.
But white chocolate is like filled with sugar, and it's not actually chocolate.
Yeah.
I did some research about it, about Nick DiGiovanni. White chocolate is not really chocolate.
What is it?
It's just full of sugar. Just full of sugar.
Like white sugar and
I'm not saying that it's like bad, but I also love white chocolate.
yeah, you can be diplomatic there.
So like I have favorite like first is dark, second is milk, third is white. I'm not really a huge fan of white, but I like it.
But you like it. Well, which is your most preferred form of chocolate?
Dark.
Dark.
I love it.
And how would you like your dark chocolate?
In a dark hot chocolate.
In a dark hot chocolate. I understand that. Acha. Up from food, I think, what I was thinking of discussing is that हमारे ज़माने में ना हम बोलते थे कि आप चांदी का चम्मच लेके पैदा हुए to people born in riches. अब so born with a silver spoon. आप बोलते हैं for your generation, especially the Gen Alpha, that you are born with net thrust down your throat.
Yeah.
There's so much net everywhere.
I
You're
like-
like net babies, right?
Yeah, like so when I was born, like internet was all over the world, like Wi-Fi, smartphones, and many other technologies, like robots also was invented in my generation. And like people like browse a lot on their phones also these times, like, and which releases like some dopamine nowadays.
I was just coming to that question. Tell me, what is dopamine?
So dopamine, yeah.
You are the dopamine generation, basically.
So dopamine is like a happy chemical. It releases when you're doing something that you like. Suppose like you won a game, or like you completed something. Like you just feel a sudden burst of happiness that releases. And like sometimes when you scroll on your phone, you're like, oh yeah, let's do this again and again. And then when you start scrolling again and again, and it's night time and you realize you didn't do your homework.
What do you do then?
I stay up until I do my work.
So that's a setback because now you're late to sleep and then you're groggy in the morning. So dopamine is holding you back.
Oh, my sister is very groggy.
Let's talk about your sister. What kind of relationship do you share with her?
It's a nice relationship, but it's like different from like a relationship with my mom and dad and like the whole household. We have like a very different relationship. Like sometimes we really like each other, sometimes we like each other, sometimes we hate each other.
Okay, you want to say more about your mom and dad and you?
Like, both of them are very unstrict. They let me do whatever I want.
Whatever?
Whatever.
So you set the rules for you?
I don't have any rules, I think.
And yet you know from good and bad. Yeah? Okay, tell me now that we are on this topic about backpack, being bad boy, do you use cuss words in school?
That's a question. Nice question. Like, I have like a gang and everything. Like, we cuss a lot. And I'm not meaning like juvenile cusses, advanced cusses.
Can you just tell me a few?
No.
Mom is not here, Jairaj. Just between you and me.
I cannot tell because what if like they see in this video?
Oh, that's good.
I'd be cooked.
You'll be cooked? Okay, I like that. You'll be cooked. The next time I'm going to use it. If I'm going to be in trouble, I'm going to be like, hey, I'm cooked. Yeah? Okay. Okay, tell me like a nice, like a joke which is bordering on maturity.
Maturity joke.
Because I know you have a very good sense of humor.
Oh, me and my friends do very like mature jokes. And it's like
Tell me one.
like
Mommy
you know
comes.
like mom and dad jokes. Like a more like mature version of them. Don't tell them.
Okay, no, I won't tell them.
It's
But you
more
tell me
mature
something.
than my parents do.
Oh my god, it's
So
like
I'll tell you one joke.
high.
I'll tell you
Advance.
one joke which is not that like the type of me and my friends use. I'll just tell a normal one.
Okay.
There was a octopus juggling with 10 like tennis balls, okay? The octopus, the wife asked the husband, "Can you do that?" The husband said, "I have testicles, not tentacles."
So जयराज अब तुमसे तो खूब बातें करनी है मम्मी से कुछ बातें की जाए. Hi, what's up, Nabs?
Good, thank you. How are
And
you all?
welcome to Small on Big Talk.
Yeah, I think I'm excited to be here.
Besides raising two lovely children, what do you do?
By profession, I'm
Drink
an
chai.
interior architect.
Drink chai. He drinks chai a lot. 2 cups. a day.
And I have my own firm, which I work with my mother-in-law. We do a lot of fun work, enjoying working. Then we run a restaurant called Mocha in the city.
Okay, बताओ कि in all this, what is your? Do you have an addiction or a driving force? I can say.
Yes, I think for sure. I think we all have something in our lives, right? And I think it has to be chai.
How much do you like chai?
I have to have chai. I think otherwise, I don't know whether it's a happy hormone or what, but I feel the day I don't have tea, I feel lazy and stressed out. I feel it gives me energy and I'm ready to go for the day. So I have this habit of carrying my tea in the car. So I don't know whether you remember, our first meeting was we were going for somebody's chotha and I had a cup of tea in my hand and you said to me,
Squeezed inside one.
yeah,
past
there's
six of us.
6, 7 girls.
Yeah.
And I think you were all finding me funny because I had a cup of tea in my hand. But that
Not
5 o'clock is my tea time. And I think you were the only one that said to me, I wish you also got me one.
Absolutely. Like I'm such a tea lover myself.
Yeah.
At least 5 cups a day.
Yeah, I'm not that many because I'm trying to cut down, but 2 to 3, yeah, it happens.
Yeah, I must downsize as well for health reasons.
Yeah, for health reasons, for sure.
But chai is the ultimate dope, I think.
It is. I think it's that 10 minutes in the morning of peace. You're busy working, just a little break to get away. You know, I think girls' gossip groups, tea. And I just think it's just fun. I think tea has so many different relationships and it symbolizes so many gatherings which we just don't think, right?
Yeah, we take it for granted that, okay, fine, we meet over a cup of tea. But I think that's the most precious gift you can ever give
Of course.
anybody, like a date for tea.
Yeah.
Because you're having your best beverage and you're also giving your best time to them. Okay, you're born in a different country and brought up there as well.
Yes.
And then you got married here.
Yes.
And parenting happened here.
For my children, yes.
Of course, right? So, what do you think is a cultural difference, or is there like a world of a difference between raising children there?
Yes. Yes, for sure. I feel in India, what is actually very beautiful, we teach our children to grow up in families, grandparents, cousins, huge families. We have a lot of pressure on academics as families. And I feel abroad it's very different. It's more child-centric. We want to bring out the best in our children. We want them to talk, ask questions, let them be more independent. In India, we want to spoon feed them. And I think that's not a good thing. And I think as they grow up, we start controlling them in India. Whereas abroad, we let them find their own way. You know, we don't say you have to be a doctor, you have to be a dentist. We let them kind of fly free. But the disadvantage of that, I also feel, is that, you know, they kind of get detached from their families also. But I think we were so lucky because I grew up in an Indian family, very strong Sikh roots, and culture was always there. We were always taught to go to a gurdwara on a Sunday morning with my father. And, you know, we ate Indian food, my mother cooked. So we got the best of both worlds. We got our independence and freedom. But at the same time, we had that cultural background which was so strong rooted.
Echo chambers से क्या derive करती हैं आप meaning? What do you think is an echo chamber for parenting? And do you think it's a trap?
हाँ, for sure. हमें ये लगता है, हम लोग इतनी रील्स देखते हैं, इतना influenced है by social media, and social circles जिसके साथ हम लोग घूमते फिरते हैं. कोई कहता है parenting should be gentle, कोई कहता है parenting should be strict. So we don't want to be judged, so we are following that. But at the end of the day, I think आपको करना चाहिए जो आपको सही लगता है. आज मैं बहुत थकी हुई मदर हूँ, रात के 10 बज गए, मेरे बच्चे नहीं सो रहे, मैं उनको आधा घंटा टीवी देखने दूंगी. I don't care if I'm being judged. But you know, we have forgotten how to admire our own individual child. हम उसी में ही लगे हैं how to be like others. And it's not a rat race. It's a बहुत individual चीज है, and आपको जो अपने बच्चे के लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए सही लगता है, आपको वो करना चाहिए. I'm a big believer of that.
So you have to detach basically from the net because echo chambers compound the theory.
And I think
of forcefully parenting in a particular
think there should be groups of
Yeah.
parenting. हम लोग को बात करनी चाहिए. Ashamed नहीं होना चाहिए that my child is screaming or this and that.
Yeah.
सबके child करते हैं at some stage, at some point. And I think, हाँ, you have to find your own
And detach.
and find your own route and your own journey and path. क्योंकि हर बच्चा अलग होता है.
Fair enough. Is that your family also runs a center for specially able
And NGO, yeah.
an NGO?
Yeah. So we run a center called Asha hai,
Absolutely.
with Cyril Apol, with a lot of children that have disabilities of all kinds. So what is happening, I feel, in today's world with that, people feel pity for them and, you know, sorry for them, which is not right. And I think ये हम लोग को सोच हटा देनी चाहिए. आजकल ऑटिज्म ऑल्सो, आजकल के बच्चे बहुत सारे इंडिया में भी, ऐसा नहीं है, पहले भी था, बट आई थिंक हम लोग इग्नोर करते थे, अपने बच्चे को छुपा लेते थे ताकि किसी को पता ना चले. हम लोग को शेम्ड हो जाते हैं और डर लगता है किसी से बात करें. बट अभी भी है इन द, यू स्टिल सी इट, हाँ, यू सी इट. बट तब भी आज से मैंने कुछ सालों में चेंज देखा है. पीपल आर स्पीकिंग मोर वोकली अबाउट इट, अवेयरनेस आ रहा है. दे थिंक हम किसी से बात करेंगे हमें सोल्यूशन मिलेगा. पहले लोग छुपते थे, आई थिंक अब वो थोड़ा खत्म हो गया है. एंड आई थिंक अब आई थिंक थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू चेंज, एंड आई थिंक we as humans have started being more generous at accepting.
Yeah. And also the fact that we need to upskill instead of feeling pity or. But you think the society lacks like the kind of compassion it should have to make these children capable? I think.
Yes.
Is the society incapable of making these children capable? Is my question.
No, they are not. But yes, they will. They choose to. They choose to.
They choose to not.
And you'd be surprised. I know a boy, Anand, हमारे center से, because I have spent a lot of time there, and even Jeff, in fact, you know,
Yeah.
We love to attend and we do a lot of workshops with the children also, right? So there's a boy called Anand. वो आया था, बहुत छोटा था. He's in a wheelchair. He doesn't have hands and feet.
Okay. A physical deformity. Okay.
But he went to university, did a BA honors, did a master's. He is now an AI designer, app designer, and he is doing fantastic work and trying to help his community only find better ways of living.
Wow, that's so fascinating.
And this boy is amazing. You know, I wish.
And he's from the center that you.
Yes.
Okay, अब ये question हम ना जय से पूछेंगे. What do you think is the current state of politics in our country?
Current state of politics. It's nice. It's okay.
It's okay. Conducive environment.
I feel today's आजकल की जो जनरेशन है हम लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयर है. सोशल मीडिया है, ये लोग ज़्यादा पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं. आई थिंक हम लोग की जनरेशन नहीं देखती थी, लेकिन आई थिंक इन अ वे अच्छा भी है बिकॉज वी आर शेपिंग नई जनरेशन टू बी बेटर वोटर्स, बेटर फॉर द कंट्री. एंड यही इंडिया का फ्यूचर है.
पॉलिटिक्स है. Does it support like a good critical thinking generation of people?
I think yes, because ये लोग में एनर्जी है पता करने की, सीखना चाहते हैं, सुनते हैं, क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. आई थिंक बच्चों को आजकल जो गलत लगता है वो भी ये लोग बोलते हैं.
पॉलिटिक्स आज की सपोर्ट करती है इस बात को कि अगर ये क्वेश्चन पूछे तो उसका जवाब देगी.
आई थिंक फ्यूचर में होगा क्योंकि जनरेशन एक जंप हुआ है मुझे लगता है. आई सी लास्ट जनरेशन, आई हैव जैसे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के बच्चे एंड जय में, जय की जनरेशन बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है क्या हो रहा है हमारे देश में, क्या हो रहा है कंट्री में, क्या हो रहा है. तो इंटरेस्ट है, पढ़ते हैं.
बट पॉलिटिक्स सपोर्ट करती है इनकी इंफॉर्मेशन को. आर दे रेडी टू आंसर व्हाट द यूथ इज आस्किंग?
आई थिंक अभी नहीं, but I think at some point they will. I'm sure.
And why अभी नहीं?
Because उन लोग को लगता है ये बहुत छोटे हैं, इन लोग को समझ भी नहीं आता. But future तो यही है.
Politics is on the right track. Okay, ये बताओ, अगर कभी homeschooling की choice दी जाए तो करोगी? And what is homeschooling actually for the unversed? If people want to know what exactly do
I
you
think
know?
homeschooling a lot of लोग करना चाहते हैं जिसको लगता है हमारे बच्चे को कोई डिसेबिलिटी है, उनको स्कूल भेजने में.
Fair enough.
होम स्कूलिंग इज नॉट अ बैड आइडिया. आप अपने बच्चे को अपने पेस पे सिखा सकते हो, अपने तरीके सिखा सकते हो, बट उसमें एक ये प्रॉब्लम है, यू नीड अ फ्री पेरेंट ऑल द टाइम टू डू दैट. एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ मेनी पीपल आर सो इन्वॉल्व्ड एट होम. बट इसमें एक डिसएडवांटेज है, बच्चा बिकम्स लोनली.
How true.
आप स्कूल जाते हो, आपका सोशल स्किल्स बढ़ते हैं, आप सीखते हैं दूसरे बच्चों के ग्रुप के साथ कैसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करें, साथ में कैसे खेलें, ग्रुप के साथ एक्टिविटीज करना जो आपको भी घर पे नहीं सीख पाते हो. तो आई एम अ बिग बिलीवर, आप स्कूल जाओ.
Absolutely.
बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस जो आपको स्कूल में मिलता है वो घर पे नहीं मिलता है for sure.
Yeah, it's a holistic experience.
And I think I learned that in COVID.
Yeah.
COVID taught me one thing, that kids forgot how to socialize with their friends. वापस जब बच्चे स्कूल गए, it took them time to make friends again. भले पुराने friends थे, but इतना gap हो गया था.
जैसे मेरी बड़ी मजे की बात बनी थी that I would die for my children, but I would also die if they were with me 24/7.
Yes.
So that is.
And it's important for them to go out every day.
Yeah, it
Because एक दिन ये बाहर जाएंगे, पढ़ेंगे, खुद जॉब ढूंढेंगे, ये करेंगे. आपकी सारी सोशल स्किल्स आप स्कूल से सीखते हो.
Because the genetic make and then the environmental make. So environment is what you go out and explore, and that's what adds up to your complete personality.
Yeah, that's true.
जयराज and Naz के साथ हम एक बहुत मजे का this and that खेलें. Okay, so let's bring the this and that round up, and with that we also wrap up our session. Introvert, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I think I'm an introvert.
An introvert?
I'm an introvert.
You don't like.
I don't think you
I
are.
mean, I'm like a mix of introvert and
You're an
extrovert.
ambivert.
Yeah.
Also
I'm an
some,
ambivert.
Yeah,
I'm a mix.
border. or
Because like
bit of
I had
this
gone
and
for a
that.
taster in Bangkok, I made over 10 friends.
Wow, you're like queen of every country. She leaves friends and brings them back on WhatsApp. Night owl or early bird? Who's
Early
the night owl?
bird.
Early bird.
Who's the
Early
night owl?
bird.
Early bird.
Early bird
I wake up 7:30. 7.
at 7 every day as a rule. When there's no
So it depends. Like sometimes like I wake up like really early. Sometimes I wake up early.
Oh, okay. And you don't do too many late nights? Even on a weekend, you do?
Yeah.
Or you
I
don't
think you do it on a Saturday night for sure.
अरे I also do on weekdays.
on weekdays?
जब आप सो जाते हैं मैं करता हूँ.
My God, it is on privacy. Okay, now let's move on from this to sports or restaurants.
Sports.
Yeah, I think we
You'd
both
rather
like
sit at home watch sports or go to a restaurant?
We like to do both actually.
हाँ, like
Yeah,
हम लोग
we do
इंग्लैंड में
both.
जाते हैं वहाँ.
Okay, but what would you like more?
I would like to go to a
I actually
restaurant.
enjoy both.
Okay.
I think like it's both good, but I would actually prefer go to restaurant कुछ अच्छा खा ले while watching the game.
अच्छा हाँ ये भी है वहाँ ही मैच
So you get driven by your desire, then I'd say. Right? If you want to eat something yummy, you will bypass the sports. Right?
But if I'm not hungry, I am at home.
You're at home, okay, watching sports. Okay, fine. Tell me a board game or video game.
Video game, any day video game, any day video game,
What about you?
any day.
I think a board game.
I still play Uno with Oma a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, we play a lot of Uno.
She cheats and wins.
Yeah.
It's actually the other way around.
Yeah. I mean,
It's actually the
my
other
mother
way.
is always, who's always cheating and fibbing and bluffing and
But I'm
fucking.
not cheating. That's the rule because I taught her Uno,
Okay.
and she thinks I
She
know
can-
more than her.
Oh, she can surpass
She
you.
thinks she
I
knows
did
more.
read the rules by the way.
And I taught you the game.
And yet you cheat? Oh, bad mama. Okay, now let's talk about. Are you a leader or a follower?
Gang leader, religion follower.
Oh my God, what a beautiful way to put it up. Okay, so now tell me, would you like to be a party host or a party guest?
Party host.
You?
Host.
And why is that?
Mom,
I think I host very well.
I need to ask my
I
mom.
can attest to it.
Can I ask my mom a question?
Yes.
Mama, when I grow up and have friends, will you let me do parties at the house? Let me host parties in the house?
Yeah, I'll even help you organize them.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's in mom.
Wow,
Oh,
what a revelation.
It's
Okay,
like
a text or a call?
call.
Call?
No, text.
Text? Are you sure?
Like it depends. Like
It suits your
if
generation
I'm with
or
my
text.
if I'm with my good friends,
Okay,
I'll call.
okay,
Like if I'm with normal friends, I like to do text.
okay, that's fair enough.
So like
A text or a call?
Call.
Call?
Always
Okay.
a call.
Now, the next question is for you. One bestie or a group of friends?
a group of friends.
So many friends. How many friends?
Because
Jenna?
all of my friends are my best friends.
Oh, and how many are they?
I have a lot of friends I cannot name.
I think that's all. And best of luck to both of you as a mom-son duo. And thanks for coming.
Thanks, Nia. I think
You're
that was fun.
Podcast. And
Yeah.
what a fabulous time I've had.
That was
with
great
Jairaj.
fun.
And I've had a fantastic time with you as well. Thanks, Nat,
Thank
for
you
joining
so much.
us.